Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. My subject is medical sciences and astrology. Today I am going to speak about the sun in Gemini. On 14th June night, the sun enters into Gemini from Taurus. The sun in Gemini is very good for the people, those who have born in the Meen Lagna and the Kumbha Lagna. In Gemini, two and 1/4 of nakshatras are there. The Mrigashirsha half, Adira 4 pass, and Punarvasu 3 parts. The Gemini is the third sign of zodiac. He is ruled by Mercury. The nakshatras in Gemini are as follows. That is 06 to 40 degrees of Gemini. 0640 to 13 to 0 of Mrigashirsha ruled by Mars. 6.40 to 20 degrees of Gemini. 13.20 degrees of Adira ruled by Rahu, or 20 degrees to 30 degrees of Gemini, and 000 to 10 degrees of Punarvasu ruled by Jupiter. Jupiter is considered to be Bhadagadipa of Gemini Lagna. The sun in Gemini speaks of sweet and affectionate, but within the nature, it makes the person learned in various disciplines. The native becomes positive and strong, generous, charming, and they can study astrology or occult sciences or accountancy, or they will become the professors of commerce subjects and musicians and poets and publishers. Depending on the birth chart, it considers nobility and wealth. With the entry of the sun in Gemini, the native becomes bold, courageous, and good understanding and have neighbors. There Srilola Suratopachara Kusala Sameshana Shastravil Kunjida Murdaja Padumadir Hasya Gido Nirtavil. The very good sign. A girl and a young man is called Gemini. The false allegations and reports difficulties in life. With the entry of the sun in Gemini, the native becomes very great. If he is a poet, he is renowned by Nobel Prize also, and many prizes from different organizations. The entry is good for success in business also and creative activity. It speaks of victory over enemies, good, beautiful reputation and worries, anxieties, anonymous petitions, false allegations, and reports difficulties in general. The sun in Gemini with references to profession speaks of writers, literary men, orators, inspectors, salesmen, agents, contractors, engineers, transport, letter writing and printing, postal services, journalism, electricity, radio, wireless, telephone, internet, defectives of accountants and lectures, tutors, etc. People under the influences of the sun in Gemini are expected to do more intellect work. For Gemini ascendant, the sun owing the third house will not be helpful. The effect of the sun would differ from house to house, and according to the sun in Gemini in Lagna would give different effects as compared to the sun in Gemini in any other house. It may not be possible to refer here to all the effects of the sun in Gemini. Sun in Gemini in Lagna Mugonmatta. So the sun in the Lagna Shuras Tapto Vigalanayano Nurguno Arke Danuste Meshasya Simha Samstha Nishanda. The person may get headache, and some persons may have eye problems. If Venus in the second house or moon in the 12th house, the person may have eye problems. In different houses, but it would suffer to refer to the effects of the sun in Gemini in Lagna, first house. If the sun in Gemini or Virgo, both ruled by Mercury, the native is a person of high thinking, intellect, and wise, very good speaker, and short statured, though respected by all. Gemini is an airy sign. It is of common natures, dual sign, double effect. They do dual things at a time. If they go to purchase something in the market, they will do other matter also, double effect, double karmas also. It is human sign, and it is also called bicorporate sign for accounts of two figures in them. Other bicorporated signs are Sagittarius and Pisces. Gemini is also called a double bordered sign. It is also a barren sign, though comes under the category of communicating sign. Aries to Virgo are considered to be commanding signs. It is also voice sign or musical sign. The persons who born in the Gemini Lagna, the Venus, fifth Lord Venus, who is exalted in the Meen Rashi, he will become a great musician or a film actor. Gemini people have double aims. The sun in the Gemini also becomes representatives of playgrounds. A good football player or badminton player or a sportsman, and he is very interested in traveling. He is traveling hills and mountains. The native with the sun in Gemini becomes interested in these matters, including the places of pleasures, gambling, and places of learning. The Mercury is in the Lagna or in the fourth. It gives Panchapurusha Mahayoga of that person. If Mercury is in Gemini, those who are born in the Gemini Lagna, with the sun, Nibuna Yoga. And Mercury gives Bhadra Mahayoga. He will become very, very great. If he becomes in the political field, he is become the chief minister or prime minister of any place. The sun in Gemini also becomes representatives of authors, writers, poets, musicians, and sportsman. Sun in along with Jupiter are considered adverse to Gemini because the Jupiter is the Badagadiva of Gemini Lagna. Badavishwara Sando Yadi Suryadi Gajaraha Devadanam Nijoktanam Pidam Brunishtaha. So Jupiter is with the Sun in the Gemini is not favor to the natives. The as indicated above, that is high thinking, wise and intellect. The Sun along with Jupiter are considered adverse results, not good. They are wealthy, educated, healthy and respected. Feeling detached, that is living alone, though in the family remains worried about him, or he has to worry about his family. Faces health problems, remains worried but clever. Highly educated, scholar, fond of pleasures. And he also have to face the opposites. Srilola Suradobajara Kusala Shameshna Shastravil Kunjida Murdaja Padumadir Hasya Gido Nirtavil. He is a very intelligent person. He is having good thinking capacity and very clever, but his one minus point is he is very affectionate to ladies, or ladies, those who are born in this Lagna have very affection to the males. Faces health problems, remains worries in the family. He is not happy in the family life. Highly educated and scholar, and very intelligent all his works. Let's say happy and harmonious married life, those who have the Jupiter is in the Dhanush Rashi. Likely to have affairs with women of others castes, including foreign ladies. Wise and intelligent, but may have frequent headaches. The sexy, angry and obstinate, respected and earns fame, helper to others, but also show and behavior. Intelligent and wise, but worried. May have property from father. Weak financial position, no savings. Income practically equals expenditure. Whatever the income, he spends all. May have headaches and break in sleep. Unhappy married life, and may have different opinion in all matters. The Sun in Gemini also make the native a professor, a publisher, or author, or a good football player, or food artist, or a good intelligent person. And if he is become a lawyer in the second house as Saturn, he's become very famous, or he becomes judge of courts. Where the Sun in Gemini is aspected by the Moon, the native may suffer from his friends, may have to do lot of traveling. For Aries Lagna, person the third house is of Gemini and is with the Sun in Gemini. It gives few brothers but many cousins, though the native is intelligent and entertaining. But the different effects and laid down in Faladibika with the regards to the Sun in the different houses. All according to an attempt has been made to derive the effects as per narration in such book. For Gemini Lagna or Sun in the first house, Lagna and the native will have scanty hair may be lazy and of hot disposal. At time, such native are also told. With the sun in the third house, that is for Aries Lagna, the native may become powerful, valiant, wealthy, and generous, but inimical relations with kinsmen and also indicated. Though Gemini itself expects extreme freedom of thought and speech, Sun in it may not give expected ordinary power. The native is of very enduring type, though the power is resist or push back obstacles is not great. It has surroundings do not change. He adapts himself to them, leading to good time in life. From physical point of view, the mouth of the Gemini is smaller with thin lips, but in some cases it has been seen that with the sun in Gemini, the lips are thicker, and if Mercury is powerfully, the arms and fingers would also be lengthy. Mentally, the mind of Gemini's persons is not wicked, always double the minds. But with the sun in the Gemini and other malefic influences, the native gets temptations to do the things in an improper way. Without any influences, the unidentified Gemini has no in-home sense of discrimination. The Gemini persons, the Jupiter who is in the Sagittarius have the Panchapurusha Mahayoga. The Mercury in the Lagna or in the fourth house, the person may get Bhadra Mahayoga, Panchapurusha Mahayoga, and the longevity will be more than 72. And he can do good things for the people, for the nation. And if he is a public person, he enjoyed the fruits of public and he can help the people. His mind is very good for helping the low people, that is the downtrodden people. They can help the downtrodden people and pick up them. He generously help the others. Thank you very much. I'll come tomorrow with other subjects. My subject is medical science and astrology. If you like my subject, please subscribe and the bell button.